Hello, my name is Alfonso, and this is a new episode of the AI programming series where we're writing an automated blog without writing a single line of code, just using AI. In the previous episode, we created a chronological job, a cron job, that runs every day and finds and writes interesting blogs based on interesting topics related to a theme. In this case, we put bananas. In that video, we were generating the blog posts, but we weren't actually storing it in the database. So that's what we're going to be doing today to finish wiring it to the blog so they appear on the actual editor. Okay, so how are we going to do this? The first thing is we need to tell, well, I made a fork of the previous val, and now we need to tell Townie that we want it to be added to the same database we were using before. So how do you do that? You go to the blog editor that you had saved from a previous episode, click on edit with Townie, and I'm going to ask it to basically print instructions on what do I need to tell Townie in a different place for how to store stuff in the database. Perfect. So it created some instructions for itself. I just copy paste it and come here and say that I basically want the blogs to be added to this database. Okay, so I basically told it, this is your instruction from the past, fill up all the fields, and that's it. Perfect, seems like it's done. That was short, so let's see if it worked. Remember to try this. We click here, view details, and click on run now. Oh, shoot, something failed. Let's copy paste this. When something fails, pretty much what I always do is just copy paste the error back in the composer bar, and it typically figures it out and fixes it. All right, let's try again. So this one seemed like it was working. It was printing here something that looks like the excerpt of a post. However, it still failed. So let's see here. let's give it the last try. Okay, blog post added to the database successfully. Let's give this a try. This is the blog we had from before. If I refresh, oh, actually the first one was working too. Seems like it's actually generating even an image, which is impressive. We didn't get the other one to work. Let's click. I need to fix the UI here, but pretty impressive. Cool. With this, we pretty much got it working, but there's one step that I didn't explain last time. Right now, we're running this basically manually. So what I'm going to do is to set it, configure it here to run every day. Actually, this one seems to be configured already. This configuration, you can check it here. You can configure it to run every day, every week, every month. And you can do this. This is a bit more customizable. You could say something like every day at 10 a.m., but you have to use this cron syntax. You click here, or you ask ChatGPT, and it will generate it for you. Actually, here you can see, I would say, look, on week, every day at 10 a.m. Perfect. So now just copy paste this here. And at 2 p.m. UTC, which is 10 a.m. in my current time zone, this will run everything. Awesome.